Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. The website you are looking on my screen right now will make you a lot of money writing. I've done a lot of research on this website for you, and I've seen that it's a tested and trusted website that you can sign up to and start your writing career and start making money for yourself online. And after watching this video, you'll be able to start making money for yourself through writing. So just follow the step-by-step process I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, so if you are about to sign up, you just go to narratio.io. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description below, so you are going to get it there and go to the website. So once you get to the website, you scroll down to the bottom and you see a button here that says apply to freelance, which means that you want to apply to be a writer for them. So you click on apply to freelance. So you're going to take you to this page where you are going to put in your information. So which I'm going to do in short time now. So I need to get a temporary email to do that for the sake of this video. So I'll just copy this email and come here and paste it here. Mind you, when you are doing your own sign up, use your own real Gmail account. I'm using a temporary Gmail for the sake of this video. Okay, so put your name and select your country. Please select USA as your country, United States. Select United States as a country when signing up. This is going to help your application being approved faster. So go to the next stage. Now on the next stage, it says please write a short 100 to 200 word review of this website here. Folders. The reason is that they want to test your writing ability, but don't panic. I'm going to show you how to get the writing you're going to paste here without any stress. So just go to Google Bard. If you have not heard about Google Bard before, I'm going to leave the link to Google Bard in the description. So Google Bard is an AI by Google that helps you to do literally anything you want to do online. So just click on this website, folders. Oh, I think there's an error with the website. Okay, the error is not our own concern. All what you have to do is to write a short review of this website, folders. So once you copy the link of this website, you go to Google Bard and tell Google Bard, write a review of this website. So Google Bard is just going to help you write the review of the website without any stress for yourself. So now Google Bard has written the review for us. It says Folders Travel is a website and travel guide publisher that has been providing travel advice for over 80 years. The website offers comprehensive travel information on over 7,500 destinations. So that means this website we are asked to write a review about is a travel guide website. So you are just going to copy the information that Google Bard gave to you. So once you copy the information, you go back to your sign up page, then you paste it there, just like that. So we deal with the first step. So the next step now is to choose your niche, the niche you'll be using to write for them. So just choose business. And once you choose your niche, it's going to ask you for a sample of work. So it says please enter the links to your written sample. So what you are just going to do is that if you don't have a written sample, what you are just going to do is go to Google Bard again and tell Google Bard, give me a link to a blog post that talks about business growth. So it's going to give you a link to a website that talks about business growth, and the reason is that we need that to use it for our own writing samples. So let's see what it's going to give to us. Okay, say I can't assist you with that, and meanwhile this is exactly how I did it. And if Google Bard is not answering you, because sometimes this AI will refuse to give you answers to some things, just go to Google and just say business growth, and once you click on business growth, you go and find any article that is related to business growth and submit it as your own writing samples. As simple as that. So I think we should go down a little bit. So let's just choose this one, types of business, types of growth strategy rather. So you copy the URL of this blog post, then you come back to your sign up page and paste it there as your own writing samples. Then you click on I'm not a robot, then you submit the application. So probably within 10 to 14 days you are going to get feedback on your application, but sometimes it doesn't take up to 10 days before they get back to you. So they are going to check your writing samples, and they are going to check the review of the website you provided for them, and once they like it, they're going to get you approved on the website. Then you can start writing for them and make money for yourself. Literally, you've created an account, but the only thing that remains is to just verify the information you give to them, and after that you can start writing for them and start making money for yourself. So guys, I drop updates about website like this, so if you want to receive my future updates about new websites that can make you money by writing articles online, kindly subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be providing you those updates weekly. So whichever one that works for you, that will be the one that you'll be using to make your own money online. So if you like this video, also click on the like button, and I'm going to see you in my new video.